was trying to record you playing with your blankie. Hi, good morning. You look like you're in a good mood, huh? I love you, Leilani. Oh. Hi guys, excuse my bumminess. I just got up early in the morning so that I could clean my bathroom. I do a lot of prep work before my daughter comes home from her dad's house so that everything is so clean. So here I am cleaning the toilet, making sure it's spotless, cleaning off the countertops. I did the mirror and the sink. Put everything back, and then also this is a friendly reminder to don't forget to do your baseboards. Alright guys, so this is just a random haul I just got from a Walmart pickup. I got 2 boxes of the oatmeal chocolate chip cookies from Munchkin Milk Makers. These actually do work for me, so I'm going to continue to eat them. I've been eating them for about a month now, maybe a little bit less than a month, and I actually really do enjoy them. They actually don't taste that bad either. They're actually pretty good. Then I got a thing of cotton squares. I normally get the cotton rounds, but for some reason on Walmart pickup they didn't have like a double pack of the cotton rounds. I got cotton squares instead. And then I also got new bottle nipples for my daughter. These are size level 3. She was using preemie because she was exclusively breastfed, and I heard that you can use preemie nipples all the way up until they're done if they're exclusively breastfed. But now that she's bottle fed with breast milk and stuff, I thought it was better to get the level 3. She is 11 or about to be 11 months in about 2 weeks, but I didn't want her to choke on her milk because she's always used a preemie nipple. So I just went with the level 3. Now, I got these also because I was noticing that when she was drinking from her preemie nipples on her bottle, her sucking is like a lot harder now, so it would like squeeze the nipple so she couldn't get any milk out, and then I have to take it out of her mouth, let the air release, and then she can continue eating. But anyway, that's why I got this size, the bigger nipple. This is actually online, it said it's a medium fast flow, so I think that'll be easier for her to get the milk out of the bottle. They also got 3 boxes of the Walmart brand organic coconut water. I actually really like this coconut water. It comes with 4 cans, and this is the best tasting coconut water I have tried that's plain. I normally get if I get flavored, I get the, I forgot what the brand is called, but it's like in a blue box-like bottle, and it is flavored with pineapple juice, and that's pretty good. But sometimes it's just too sweet for me, so just regular coconut water. And this actually, I've told other people this before, it tastes creamy, if that makes sense. But it's just organic coconut water. It's the only thing that's in there. I also got air-fried chicken breast fillets. I like to use these breaded frozen ones. So I'll stick it in the air fryer over there. And then I will chop it up and put it on top of the salad. And then I also just got a thing of cheese. And that's it. That's my small little random haul. Alright guys, so right now I'm just going to start a pumping session out here on my balcony. We are kind of trying to fix it up. Obviously there's still tags on things. We just put them out here to put them out here. But we got these 2 chairs at TJ Maxx Home Goods, the pillow at Marshall's, the lantern at TJ Maxx Home Goods as well. Those are my plumerias back over there if you guys can see them. There's still boxes of stuff out here that we need to put in our storage. But anyways, I just got a few things out here. Sticker book. I have my manifesting journal right here. This is my pregnancy baby journal. And it has like fun stuff in there. And then application that I need to send in, as well as my budget notebook and my planner. So I'm just gonna be kind of working out here today and enjoying the beautiful weather. It's not too hot, not cold, it's just right. Alright guys, I'm just hooking myself up to my pump. I pump on a 3-hour schedule. So I pump and then I tell my phone to set timer for 3 hours. Pump, set my phone for 3 hours, timer. And that's kind of just how I do my pumping schedule. This is actually a medical grade pump. I have an LV as well, but whenever I go through like hormonal shifts, having postpartum period, or just, you know, my normal hormonal shifts, as Leilani, my daughter, gets older, my supply will tend to dip. I always have frozen milk for her, so that's not an issue of her being fed, but I want to keep it up. So having a medical grade pump definitely, you can't see anything, hopefully, and yeah, it just helps keep my milk supply up because it's a stronger pump. I'm sure you guys that are pumping moms out there, breastfeeding moms, that pump as well, you always have a slacker boob. So this one is so much faster at getting milk out, and then this boob over here just takes forever to get some milk out. So I just have to kind of, you already know, like massage the breast so that milk comes out. But this one just sprays milk out real fast. But anyways, if you need a reminder, remember to massage your breasts when you're pumping, because that helps a lot get more milk out. Okay, so talking a little bit more about my pumping journey. When I first started pumping, when my daughter was first born, I would get a ton of milk. I definitely don't get as much as I used to, especially since my daughter started eating solids. She eats less from me. I mean, she nurses all day and whatever she wants, but at the same time, she doesn't need as much. And also the calories in my milk are more, there's just more calories in my milk than before, so she doesn't need as much as she used to around the clock. It's hard to explain. If you're a breastfeeding mom, then you understand what I'm trying to say. Basically, when I get up in the morning, my first pump is always obviously the pump that has the most milk, because you were sleeping for, you know, hours, and I try to get up in the middle of the night, but 9 times out of 10 it doesn't happen to pump. So my first pump is usually around 4 ounces, which is typically what she eats for a bottle. And then all of my subsequent pumps during the day, every 3 hours, are roughly around 2 ounces per pump. And I just keep building my stash and building my stash. Actually, the container that I have in my freezer right now for breast milk, my frozen breast milk, is actually full. She gets a lot of hydration also from her fruits and veggies that she eats, and the foods, and water now too. Like I said before, she's almost 11 months, so not that she has to rely on my breast milk anymore. She is getting a lot of nutrients from the food that she eats as well. All of her baby purees that I make her. As you can see down here, it's probably 2 ounces combined right now, and I've been pumping for, I want to say, about 15 minutes. I do use this letdown button a few times during my pumps just to see if I can get more milk out. But yeah, that's what I do. Normally my last pump of the day, when my daughter is not with me, when my daughter is at her father's house, I'll usually pump from the moment I wake up till my last pump is usually around midnight, and then I do it all over again the next day. When my daughter is with me, I just kind of try to pump when she's having a bottle. I'll use my LV when I'm making breakfast or whatever for her, and when I'm feeding her solids, then I'll pump during that time, just a little bit, just to make sure that I'm constantly emptying my breasts, because, you know, if you don't empty your breasts, then your body won't make more milk. So I constantly try to have it be empty as far as pumping goes, but there's always going to be milk in there for my daughter. So if that makes sense, like, you will always have breast milk unless you start weaning your baby off of you to not eat from you anymore, or you're not pumping anymore, then your milk will dry up. But if you're, you know, constantly having your baby on you or pumping, then your milk will never go away. At least in my experience it's been. But I am hungry, so I'm gonna go get a snack right now. Pumping makes me so thirsty and hungry, so I'm gonna go get a snack and I'll be right back. Okay, sorry if you guys hear my dog bark right now. There's another dog walking by, so if he barks, I apologize. But I got my snacks. I'm about to hook myself back up to the pump and continue my pumping session. There we go. So for snacks, I grabbed an organic coconut water from Walmart. Honestly, I love the packaging too. Monstera leaves and palm leaves. So cute. So I got that. And then I also got a Milk Makers Cookie Bites. These are delicious. It's packed with a ton of ingredients that are good for lactation, like oats. Let's see what else is in there. Flaxseed is in here. Sunflower lecithin makes it easier for your milk to come out. So it's not like clogged. It helps with clogged ducts, and it just makes your milk just easier to come out, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And there's just good stuff in here for you. And there's also chocolate, so I love chocolate. Cool. I also grabbed my laptop too, so I can watch YouTube videos while I hang out here and do research for my daughter's first birthday party. I am doing a whole bunch of planning in her journal so that when I'm sorry guys, I'm eating. So that when she's older, she can read about all of the party ideas and things. My sister made me lunch. I'm having Caesar salad and salmon. And then I'm also editing right now. Oh, also forgot to mention that I put this in a bag already, but 2.7 ounces, that's pretty good for my second pump of the day. Usually it's just about 2 ounces, but it was almost 3 this time. And I'm also working on party planning stuff for my daughter's birthday. Unfortunately, the date that I wanted for the park that I wanted is already reserved, so got to figure out all that mess. Hopefully I can pick a date today and reserve, send in the deposit and everything like that, so that we have a place for Lonnie's birthday. Okay, so I think it's going to be a lot harder than I thought to find a park to host my daughter's party. The place that I wanted to have her party, they're not available on the weekend that I am choosing, so I don't know. I just went to 3 different parks, and some were far, like to get to the picnic tables, or needed stairs to get to the picnic tables. And I know for a fact that some of my family members won't be able to make those stairs, so kind of shit out of luck now. I don't know what to do. I had my heart set on that one park, but it's only available on the weekends where I don't have my daughter, so that's annoying. But I don't know. The search continues. Okay, so I'm scoping out another site. It's not at like a playground type of park, but it's at a lake, and it's got its own like little covered area and everything. So I'll show you guys. So this is what it looks like. There's 3 grills. That's actually a hand washing station. And there's tons of tables over here, which is great. Lakes over there. So this might be the place where I'm having my Lonnie's party, because honestly I'm close to out of options and I need to book something soon. It's a unicorn. Is it time to put your diaper on? Can you hold it for me? Thank you. Let's get ready for bed.